So we were discussing the principle involved in forced film evaporator and they clearly said here because of sudden change in the pressure, the temperature drops, boiling point drops, and flash evaporation takes place. So flash evaporating of superheated liquid is seen. Coming to construction, someone's mic is on and please. Yeah, I have that. So construction for circular evaporator consists of a pump in the Japan for increasing the pressure of the circulation. First thing. Second thing, the evaporation has also steam jacketed tubes held between those two tubes. Internal diameter is 1.1 meter. Pressure maintained chedaniki diameter is maintained very less, that is 0.1 meter. And the length is 2.5 meters. The part of the tube projects into the vapor head consisting of a deflector connected to the return tubes. This is the construction as shown in the figure. So construction load to be noted important thing. Pump untundi. Pump is important. Diameter of the tube is important, 0.2 meters. Length of the tube is important, and the 0.1 meter diameter length is 2.5 meters length is there. So working, coming to working, very, very important. Steam is introduced through the inlet into the heating tubes, also called as calandria, which is introduced to provide inlet and it forced by the pump to the tubes with the positive velocity. Positive velocity with pressure. While moving upward through the tube, the liquid heats up and boils. The vapor liquid mixture rushes out of the tube with high velocity and strikes the deflector, which throws the liquid downwards. This step is also necessary for effectively separating the liquid with vapor. So the separated vapor enters the cyclone separator and escapes through the outlet. Cyclone separator, we discussed it, size separation. Liquid moves down the tube pipes. The pump further evaporates. This continues till the desired concentrated product is formed. So what's happening here? Pump is there. Pump is pushing the liquids towards the heated tubes, and these tubes are very narrow, 0.1 diameter. So velocity will be high. High pressure liquid is coming out of these pumps. The class load 10 minutes. Okay. So high pressure liquid, high velocity liquid is coming out of these tubes. And when this is coming out, immediately it's striking this deflector. And before that, what's happening? Deflector ki touch mundu. Sudden ga E region low, right? In this green region, I'm trying to show you. Pressure drops. High pressure nundi low pressure అయిపోయింది. So flash evaporation takes place and the mixture of gas and liquid is separated because of deflector and cyclone separator. So this is what happening in forced film evaporator. Clear? Any doubt? Have a look on uses, Nana. Concentrated heat sensitive material can be used to concentrate heat sensitive material. Next, you can use it especially in preparation of insulin from the liver extracts. Next you can see it is suitable for corrosive solutions. Corrosive solutions equipment Next, it is suitable for crystalline substances also. So these are the uses. Coming to demerits, and it has high residence time and it's expensive because pump requires liquid circulation. This is forced film evaporator. So forced film evaporator lo malli cheptunnanante meeru gurtu pettukovalsindi, we are using pump here. We are using pump here to generate the high velocity, and suddenly when liquid is traveling with high velocity in high pressure region to low pressure region, sudden ga pressure drop avadam valla flash evaporation jarugutundi. So that's the important thing you should remember in falling film evaporator. Sorry, forced circulation evaporator. And the last equipment of today's discussion, very, very, very important. I can say the first, my favorite is, is a climbing film evaporator, and the next most important is multiple effect evaporator. ఇది ఎందుకు ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటే అండి, ఇక్కడ చెప్తున్నా గ్రేటర్ ఎకానమీ అంటే తక్కువ ఖర్చులో పనిచేస్తుంది. and it is large scale evaporations లో పనిచేస్తుంది. ఎందుకు తక్కువ ఖర్చులో పనిచేస్తుంది? Just have a look on this demo. These are the series of parallelly fed evaporators. Vertical tube evaporators ఏ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ ట్యూబ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ ట్యూబ్స్, ఇక్కడ హారిజంటల్ ట్యూబ్ evaporator లాగా vertical tube evaporator ఉంది ఇక్కడ. What we are doing here, in every the evaporator you have a still, you have an evaporating pipes in which the steam is passed. Same process, the steam is heating up these tubes and the liquid is evaporated, fine. But ఈ లిక్విడ్ ఎవాపరేట్ అయినప్పుడు వచ్చే స్టీమ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో, this is used as a source of heating for second evaporator. So technically speaking, first evaporator ని హీట్ చేయడానికి మనకు ఎనర్జీ అవసరం. For heating the second evaporator, I don't need any energy, any electricity, any steam, because the steam generated from the first evaporator, I'm sending it to the as a heating source for the second evaporator. మళ్ళీ ఆ సెకండ్ ఎవాపరేటర్ లో ట్యూబ్స్ హీట్ అప్ అయిపోతాయి. మళ్ళీ లిక్విడ్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు దట్ హీటర్ విల్ బి హీటెడ్ అప్ అగైన్, ఆ వేపర్స్ కండెన్స్ అయిపోతాయి. కానీ the new vapor generators are used as a source for the third evaporator. Ila 5, 9, 10 evaporators can also be connected. Like what we studied, I hope, in the 4th class science, energy neither can be created nor can be destroyed, converts from one form to other form అని law of conservation of energy చదువుతాము. ఇంటర్మీడియట్ వచ్చేసరికి థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ లో లా ఆఫ్ కన్జర్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ హీట్ చదువుతాము. ఇన్ థర్మోడైనమిక్స్, హీట్ నెదర్ కెన్ బి క్రియేటెడ్ నార్ కెన్ బి డిస్ట్రాయిడ్, ఇట్ కన్వర్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ ఫార్మ్ టు అదర్ ఫార్మ్ అని. ఇక్కడ సింప్లీ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ ఇస్ టేకింగ్ ప్లేస్. Heat energy from my steam is transferring into the product. Product is concentrated, but the vapors loki heat energy converted tundi. Our vapors are used as a heat source for heating the another set of evaporator. Right. So this is multiple effect evaporator. You can see V1, V2, V3, n number of these evaporators can be connected. So uses, you can see concentration of sugar cane juice in preparation of sugar, jaggery and all, production of salt and desalination of the water. This multiple effect evaporators are used. Sensible heat and condensing preheating liquids to be flashed. There are economy of multiple effect evaporator formula గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఇది చాలా important of today's class. Please note it down. How to calculate economy of an evaporator. Total mass of the vapor produced by total mass of steam supplied. Economy of an evaporator, multiple effect evaporator. Please note it down. Total mass of vapor produced by total mass of steam supplied. Single effect evaporator unte economy of single effect evaporator, n units of vapor produced by n units of steam supplied is equal to 1. Multiple effect evaporator unte n units of vapor produced by 1 unit of steam supplied. Ante kadandi, steam supplied is only for 1 unit, this first one. That's what we are writing here. 1 n units of vapor produced by 1 unit of steam supplied is equal to n value. So this is economy of multiple effect evaporator. Please note it down. So this concludes that economy of multiple effect evaporator is n times in the economy of single effect evaporator. Okay, so this is about multiple effect evaporator. Principal construction is very simple. Have a look, a fast look. Ma'am is waiting, anatomy ma'am. So in multiple effect evaporator, number of vessels are arranged in sequence, each held lower pressure than the last one. Water is boiled in these vessels. Since the boiling water of the boiling point of the water decreases as pressure decreases, the vapor obtained after boiling of the water in one vessel is used for heating of the water in the next vessel. This indicates that only the first vessel, which is at the highest pressure, uses the external heat source for boiling the water. Theoretically, evaporators may be built with an arbitrarily large number of stages. Evaporators with more than 4 stages are rarely used, particularly except in systems where the liquid is desired product is obtained. So it is important. Okay. I'm repeating it. Please have a look once more about the principle of multiple effect evaporator. Steam is supplied to one evaporator. Product is obtained in many. So water is boiled in these vessels. In the boiling water decreases the pressure. Vapor obtained after boiling vapor in one vessel is used for heating the vapor in the next vessel. This indicates that only the fast vessel, which is at the high pressure, uses an external heat source for boiling. This is what the major concept. Construction, very simple. In triple effect evaporator, and given the three use chestunam kabatti, contains three evaporators. Construction as shown in the figure, the evaporator vapor escapes from the evaporator 1 and used as a heating source for the second evaporator, and the vapor escaping from the second evaporator is used as a heating source for the third evaporator. So vacuum is also connected to the last evaporator. Working mali same and chala simple. Working lo the evaporator utilizes the parallel feed arrangement in which the hot saturated solution is introduced in three evaporators directly instead of transferring the metal from one evaporator to material to one evaporator to other evaporator. So material transfer చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాం parallel గా వేసేస్తాం. So the feed is introduced in each evaporator upon the level of evaporating tube. So arrangement is used concentrating salt solutions and other blah 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 already చెప్పుకున్నాం. So ఒక్కసారి చూసుకుంటే you can easily understand it. Economy of multiple effect evaporator is very, very important. Formula of this is very, very important. Okay. So this is about evaporation, what we discussed. Generally, for teaching this, I'll take more than 4 classes for pharmaceutical engineering in BPharm 2-1. But as we have very less time, we simply rushed in finishing this evaporations. So any doubts, you can connect me in the next class. Any problem, we can focus on it. Factors ఒకటి చూసుకోవాలండి ఇందులో అండ్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ చూడాలి, ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఎవాపరేషన్ అండ్ డిస్టిలేషన్, ఎవాపరేషన్ అండ్ డ్రైయింగ్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ అండి. దెన్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ యూజ్డ్, స్టీమ్ జాకెటెడ్ కెటిల్ గురించి చదివాం మనం, హారిజాంటల్ ట్యూబ్ ఎవాపరేటర్ గురించి చదివాం, క్లైంబింగ్ ఫిల్మ్ ఎవాపరేటర్ చదివాను, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ పాల గురించి చెప్పాను ఎలా పాలు పొంగుతాయో అని. ఫోర్స్ ఫిల్లింగ్ ఎవాపరేటర్ గురించి చెప్పుకున్నాం, ఇక్కడ ఫ్లాష్ ఎవాపరేషన్ ఇస్ కీ పాయింట్. మల్టిపుల్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఎవాపరేటర్ గురించి చెప్పుకున్నాం, ఇక్కడ economy is the main important concept. So I hope you understood. Please, you have next 2 important classes and one is anatomy. Maybe most likely ma'am will take skeletal system today, and chemistry class will also be there from 8 to 9. So I'm recording these classes so that people who are not coming or like not getting the time can focus on these topics.